It's sad when you realize maybe the best way to live life is alone. You realize you're getting older and finding someone solid to build a life with is just not going to happen. People are too full of themselves, stuck in the streets, stuck on an ex, stuck in the past, or you find one who enters your life and disrupts it just enough to where they want you sometimes, but don't want you enough to be with you, but also don't want to let you go. We're literally living in a generation that being toxic, it's okay. It's depressing to think that being single is the better option because it's the only way to protect your peace and well-being. The actual concept of a relationship nowadays is almost impossible. People lack honesty, consistency, commitment, and communication. It's sad that you know what you can bring to the table, but you will never have a table to bring it to. Just saying.